What it do? Listen, man. Sometimes price goes into consolidation and does all that kitty booms and kitty bums, nasty things where you know it try to confuse you, but your boy a genius, man. Listen, I came up with a strategy, with a system like a strategy that can help you out when before price breaks out. This system works 100% for me. So let's see. All right, let's see. I'm gonna show you something real quick. So in order to have the perfect entry when price is consolidating into its full blast out, um, what you have to do is you guys have to understand that everything has already happened in the past. Is this history repeats itself? Okay, so this is what you do. There's a tool in trading view. I'm gonna ask you guys to really take your time on trading view. It's gonna help you a lot, so you can understand all these tools. You gotta use all these tools, man. They're gonna help you out. So I'm gonna show you something real quick. I'm gonna start from scratch so I can explain it better. Okay. So so this is what you do. You go to trading view, right? Then you go to the left section. It is the toolbox from one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. The seventh one. You click it. You see long position, short position. That area right there, there's a lot of helpful tools. So it's price range. It shows you how much you're gonna make during a specific time, date and price range. It does both of it at the same time. Bars, buy, all these things are useful. So you gotta click for this purpose. You click date range. Okay. So in order to target a trade, this is what you do. See, before this went into full sale, there was a particular trend of consolidation. Okay, see when it hit. Let me maximize it. You see that? So when it came here and it hit right here, now the question is when is it going to finally sell and when is the perfect entry? So this is what it did. It consolidated from here up to here. So what you do is it is going to repeat itself. So what you do is you click the date range. Yeah, the day range from where it started consolidating to where it ended. You see that? That's when the full blast off. You see all reds. That's where the money is. That's where the full entry is. So this is what you do. You do that, and in your next, you see that in your next. If you recognize that same pattern, you bring it to the next one. So right now, this is live. So this is what it's doing right now is consolidating. So if you have your alert system, which I already taught you guys, you're gonna hear your alert system beeping in. That means it's consolidating. It's confirming to you that it's trying to break resistance, but resistance cannot be broken. So it's gonna do that in the date range. So by the time it measures that date range, it's gonna finally drop down. So we're gonna okay. I'm gonna show you how to. We don't even need to take this. We don't need to. Okay, we don't need to take this all the way there. This is what we could do. So you see that you measure it. What you want to do is this is easy. You want to use all your tools in TradingView. What you want to do is you want to clone it. So you go to the clone tool, you clone it. It'll give you the same copy. Okay. So this is what you do. You drag it all the way here. See from here where I first started. Let me get an accurate amount. Where I first started to where I first broke off. Make sure it's really accurate. So that is yeah, this one was not the right accurate measurement. So yeah, let's go back in so you guys can finally understand. So you want to have the perfect. You see, if you don't zoom in, you'll not get the perfect start and the perfect end. So you see that. So you click your clone tool right here and you clone it. It'll gonna give you the same exact measurement. So if you understand and you see the price, if you understand the patterns and you see the same pattern happening over and over again, and then finally Sometimes price will hit the resistance and actually drop down. So that's what it did here. So you know, don't worry about it. And sometimes you see it goes up, then it consolidates all over and over again. So this is what you do. So it finally, from when it finally hit, from when it finally hit the resistance, you measure it from here. Let's see. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. All right, so I need a reference from the past. Like I told you, if you want to see what you want to do in the future, you need a reference. So I kind of forgot myself, so I started from here, right? So that's the red one right after the blue. So we're gonna look for the same pattern. So the red one right after the blue, bang. You see that? So you click it, you put it right here, right here. So price is gonna consolidate. Price is gonna consolidate. It's gonna do all that till it reaches here. Then it finally drops. So that's what a day range does. It helps you. You see that? It's all about balance, balance, and you know everything is mathematical. You balance, think of balance all the time. Everything repeats itself. It's like history repeating itself. So you see that range, then bang, it did that. This time around, it came down. Sometimes it can do that, but when you see it consolidating, you duplicate the day range. Um, then it's gonna consolidate to that exact moment. Then of course it's in the if it breaks resistance, it could be due to news, but most of the time it's gonna go down. Then so once you draw it there, you're gonna watch it do its thing, and once it gets there, you once it gets to that area.